Hey, listen up, all of you. There's no yo for you tonight. I'm an angry man tonight. I came across a couple of YouTube videos from channels that have millions of subscribers and they're teaching wrong bloody physics. So here's a friendly reminder to all of you students and you YouTube teachers. E equal to 0 does not mean sticking. The particles, two particles sticking and E equal to 0 are not the bloody same thing. E is only dependent on the normal component of the velocities. E equal to 0 means that the normal component of velocities become the same. The tangential component will depend on what friction is there, or if there is any adhesive force, only then will they stick. So suppose I have a case where you have a particle launched on let's say an inclined plane and it hits at an angle. If I say E equal to 0 and let's say this surface is smooth, what exactly is going to happen? The normal component of the velocity of the particle is going to become 0, and therefore the only velocity that will remain is in the tangential direction, that is along the surface. So the particle will continue moving along the surface, whereas sticking would mean that the particle just sticks and comes to rest completely. But I've seen so many YouTube videos, so many popular YouTube teachers teach this wrong concept to lakhs of students that are viewing their videos. It just gets my blood boiling. Right, so now you might say that, sir, E equal to 0 तो पर head on collision में तो E equal to 0 sticking तो same होता है ना? अरे नहीं होता ना यार. Here's the case. You have a head-on collision, a particle striking another particle that is suspended from a string. The first case, let's say it sticks. They'll move as a single particle. They'll move as a single system. But what about E equal to 0? At the point of collision, just after collision, they're going to have the same velocity. But then there is no sticking here. Only the component along the normal is going to be the same. So the particle suspended from the string is simply going to perform circular motion, whereas the other particle will travel on its way horizontally and perform free fall. Please, please, get your concepts clear. That's it for today. Good night.